All right, so you guys know what it is. I'm gonna do some Damascus today. Got a 17 layer billet here, 1084 and 15 and 20. And I'm gonna shoot for high 200s. I don't wanna go over, I don't wanna go into 300. So 250 above that, and we'll stop. So let's get her in the fire and get her hot. All right, so I got the 17 layer billet. You know, I cut it up into thirds, stacked it, and forged that out and got two 51 layer billets. And I think I'm gonna cut these in half each and stack it for four billets, and just stop at 204 layers. That's enough. All right, so this will be 204 layers. So I had some pretty big gaps, so I went ahead and just welded it all up here. And I'll grind that out though. It's a lot of weld. But yeah, so let's get her in the fire and get to work. All right, so I got the 204 layer billet here. With the, I'm gonna forge it down with the layers running vertical and have them all just running straight and follow hopefully they follow the layers follow like the tip of the blade when I, cause we'll see what happens, man. It's all just learning and figuring out. I don't, maybe the other one I'll do like a ladder pattern or raindrop or random something, but we'll see how this goes. So cool. Stay tuned. All right, what's up, everybody? So, just finished hand sanding the blade. I brought it up to 800 grit, and I'm pretty excited. A moment of truth. This is why I like doing Damascus blades, because there's, a reward at the end. And I'm using a new batch of ferric chloride because my other batch is getting pretty old. It's pretty weak. The last knife I did, this one, it came out really well, but it took me like about 5 or 6 times, 20 minutes each, to get a good contrast. So I think it's just getting old, so I made a new batch. But yeah, that's a little hunter I'm working on. I still got to put the pommel on the end, just a little piece of brass. That's a moose antler and a leather stack and a brass guard from a road grader. But yeah, it's a pretty cool blade. It came out nice. But yeah, let's get her into etch it and see what she looks like. All right, so there's the blade. I think it came out pretty cool. I like how all the layers are running parallel. That's exactly what I was going for. So I won't bore you guys with putting the handle on and all that. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using for a handle yet, but maybe a moose antler or something like that, but we'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's kind of my process. But I'll be getting better. Still got a lot to learn. I'm definitely going to start hot cutting the billets. I think I'll make a die for my press, so I can just cut them and then fold them and keep going and not having to stop. But other than that, yeah, that was fun, man. I'm happy with this knife, and like I said, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and you guys have a good day.